so nice. And even you get discounts.
Hello, sir. Hi, ma'am. We ran a full checkup for your car, and here's a list of what we recommend to change, especially the brake pads.
No lah, we can buy from outside. It's cheaper.
Yeah, ho.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
When you buy a branded bag, will you buy an original one or a fake one?
Oh, of course, the original one. It's like an investment and lasts longer. You get a warranty and good quality. Oh, so nice.
Exactly. Same goes for Volkswagen Genuine Parts. You get warranty nationwide and also can think of it as an investment with so many more benefits.
I don't know.
After all, Volkswagen only uses the best material, and our genuine parts are designed to fit your car. Non-genuine parts might not be safe for your car, and with 2 years parts warranty, it's practically an investment. More value for money, ma.
He's right, you know. Genuine parts are safer. With 2-year warranty, we save money over the long term lah.
Aha! So what's your decision, ma'am? Sir?
Genuine lah.
Hi, I'm ASMAN, your after salesman. Thank you for watching our video. Please click here to check out another video and click here to subscribe to Volkswagen Malaysia's YouTube channel. Bye.
Volkswagen.